ankles, knees, hip, low back, mid back, neck, shoulders. That laser just told us everything, which leg is shorter than the other leg, how much pressure you should put on one side, and this one photographs the bottom foot, tells me if there's any arches, all that stuff. Let's get cracking. That's a good, it's normal. First time is like, see, I told you, the rest of them are better. Alright, so you see how your heel doesn't go any further? That's a hip problem we have to fix. More range of motion right there. There.
Ah, shit.
There. Okay. There it is.
I stopped beating so much ass now.
I'm about to say.
Yo, you feel the difference though, right? Hell yeah. See how your head touches the wall? That's perfect. And you got taller, honestly.
Make sure y'all go get y'all shit cracked, man. You know what I mean? No, Obo, you hear me? He called out my man, you hear me?